Hello kids, good morning to all. A warm welcome to all my UKG kids to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Smita Miss, your English teacher. How are you my dear children? Hope everyone is fine and safe at home. Are you ready for our class? Yes. How are you sitting children? Yes. Well, during the class time, you should sit straight and put your legs down. Are you sitting properly? Very good. Now, in today's class, let me tell you a story. Are you ready? Yes. This is the story of two boys. Once there was two boys. They were brothers. അറിയോ രണ്ട് ആൺകുട്ടികളുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അവരാരായിരുന്നു? രണ്ടാളും ബ്രദേഴ്സ് ആയിരുന്നു. ബ്രദേഴ്സ് മീൻസ് they were twins. Twins എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ഇരട്ട കുട്ടികളായിരുന്നു. ഇത് നോക്കൂ. See here. രണ്ട് ആൺകുട്ടികൾ ട്വിൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. So one name was Anne and the other brother's name was Anne. ഒരു ബ്രദറുടെ പേര് എന്തായിരുന്നു? ഒരു ബ്രദറുടെ പേര് എന്നും അടുത്ത ബ്രദറുടെ പേര് എന്തായിരുന്നു? ആൻ. സോ they was two brothers. They used to do all the things similarly. They used to do all the things similarly. അവർ എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും ഒരേമാതിരിയാണ് ചെയ്യുക. One day they wanted friends. അവർക്ക് എന്താ വേണ്ടായിരുന്നേ? അവർക്ക് ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ വേണമായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷെ ഒരു കാര്യത്തിൽ മാത്രമാണ് ഇവർ വ്യത്യാസമുള്ളത്. Only one thing they do differently. Do you know what? What is this? Who is this? A like to make friends whose name begin with consonants. So, do you know which all are the consonants? See here. These all letters are the consonants. So, whose name begin with consonant, he likes to make friend. ഈ കുട്ടിക്ക് ആരെയാണ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആക്കുക? കൺസൊനൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ലെറ്റർ സൗണ്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന പേരിനെയാണ് അവർ ഫ്രണ്ട് ആക്കുള്ളൂ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് എന്താണ്? ദ അതർ ബ്രദർ നെയിം ഇസ് ആൻ. ആൻ എന്താണ്? ആൻ ലൈക്ക് ടു മേക്ക് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഹൂസ് നെയിം ബിഗിൻ വിത്ത് vowels. See here, which all are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. One day, they both went inside the village in search of friends. അവർ എന്താ ചെയ്തത്? ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ അന്വേഷിച്ച് ആ വില്ലേജിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ നടന്നു തുടങ്ങി. സോ ഓൺ ദ വേ ഹി സോ what is this children? He saw a tree. T-R-E-E. He saw a tree. Now who will make friend of tree? Who will make? Who likes to make sound with T? It is A. So A went next to tree and sat and they became friends. എന്തുണ്ടായേ? ട്രീനെ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ ട്രീൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക് എ ഓടിപ്പോയി. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് എ പോയത്? സി ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ എന്താണ്? ടി. ടി എന്താണ്? ടി കൺസൊനൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ ടി കൺസൊനൻ്റ്. സോ എ became friend of ടി. Did you get it children? Then again they started walking. They started walking and on the way they saw an what is this? What is this children? Yes, this is ant. What is this? Ant. Now who will make friend of ant? See the first letter A. A is what? It is a vowel or a consonant? It is a vowel, right? So who will make friend of A? It is an. A N. Then എന്താണ്? Ant. A N T. Ant. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ ഏതാണ്? എ. അപ്പോൾ എന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട് ആരാണ്? ആൻ. അപ്പോൾ ആൻ ആൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ടായി. മനസ്സിലായോ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് എന്താണ്? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇൻ ദ വില്ലേജ് ദേ സോ എ what is this? Hut. Hut. Now who will make friend of hut? See here, what is the first letter? It is H. First letter എന്താണ്? H. അപ്പോൾ ആരാണ് ഹട്ടിൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട് ആവുക? ഏത് ലെറ്ററാ? ഏത് ബ്രദറാ പോവുക ഹട്ടിൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക്? എ ആണോ ആൻ ആണോ? സി എച്ച്. ഹർ. സോ it is a hut. A hut. Did you get it? The same way the ant went in search of friends. See here the next picture. What is this? Apple. A P P L E. Apple. Now who will make friend of apple? It is an. It is the brother an. So what will come before apple? An apple. Did you get it, children? The same way he make more friends. See here, what is this? What is this? It is engine. What is this? Engine. Can you see? Now see here. Engine. E N G I N E. Engine. Now who will make friend of engine? It is an. Why an will make friend of engine? Because first letter is E. So first letter is V. It is a vowel. So an will make friend of E. Did you get it, children? So then again one more picture can we see? Now you should say me who will make friend of this picture. What picture is this? Yes, this is mango. Mango. Now who will make friend of mango? A or an? Yes, it is A, right? Very good. Did you like the story, children? The same way you can practice this in our literacy skill book. Now you can see. Now look here, children. Can you see? See here. What is the first picture? Orange. Orange. What is the first letter it is starting with? It is O, right? So who made friend of O? It is a vowel. So we should write an. A N. An. Right? See the next picture. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. So what is the first letter? It is A. It is a vowel or consonant? Yes, it is a vowel. So what you should write here? An. Next it is cow. See the first word of cow. What is this first letter? It is C. O W. C. It is a vowel or consonant? Yes, it is a consonant. So what we should write here? Who will make friend of cow? It is A, right? Very good. See the next picture. What is this, children? This is book. So it is what who will make friend? A book, right? Only one book. See the next picture. A mango. A mango. Only one mango is there. So A mango. Next one. See here. What is this? Ant. A N T. Ant. So what will come before ant? It is an. See? An ant. Next one. What is this? Elephant. An elephant. Because E is a vowel. Next. Doll. A doll. Because D is consonant. So you should write A. See the next one, lemon. A, lemon, because L is again a consonant. See this one, which picture is this? Igloo. See the first letter, what is this? I. I is a vowel, so we should write an igloo. Okay, an igloo. See the next picture, umbrella. See the first letter, what is this? U, an umbrella. See here, crow. A, crow, because C is a consonant. Okay, you should practice reading this from your book. See the next one, a, lamp. L is a consonant. See here, an eagle. E is a vowel, so we should write an before eagle. See here, next one, it is log. Log. So L, it is a consonant. So what you should write here? You should write A. See the next picture, children, ink pot. So what we should write here? An before ink pot, because I is a vowel. See here, next, a leaf, because L is consonant. A bag, because B is consonant, it is only one bag here. Here again, an owl. An owl. A jar. J is consonant. An ice cream. Here I is a vowel, so we should write an. Now a boat. A boat. B is consonant, so we should write A. Next, an egg. E is vowel, so you should write an egg. See the next picture, engine. E, again E is coming, engine, so E is a vowel, so what we should write here? We should add an before E. You should add an before E, engine, an engine. Did you get it, children? An and A we use only for single things. We don't use for, if many things are there, we don't use A and an. Only if they are sitting alone, we will use A or an. A we use for consonant and an we use for vowel. Did you get it, children? Yes. Now, we have one more worksheet here. Can you see? What is this? Aeroplane. What is the first letter of aeroplane? It is A, right? So, which word will come? A will come or an will come? A is a vowel, so we should write an. So, what you should do? You should circle an. See next one, cat. K, C. So, C is a consonant. So, what we should write? A, cat. So, you should color A. See the next picture, this is banana. B, B. So, B is a consonant. So, what we should write? A, banana. So, you should color A. See the next picture, orange. O, orange. So, what is the first letter? It is O. So, O is a vowel. So, you should write an orange. An orange. So, you should color an. See the next picture, egg. E, G, G, egg. So, E is a vowel. So, you should write an egg. See here next one. What is this? What is this, children? Tiger, right? T. T. T is a consonant or vowel? Yes, it is a consonant. So, you should write a tiger, right? You should practice reading these words from your literacy skill book. For your writing practice, last class we learned about vowels A, E, I, right children? Did you practice writing it in your notebook? Yes. Next word it is O sound words. Next word it is O sound words. Can you see? You should tell your parents to draw line and give. See the word here. What is this letter? Which letter is this? O. O, T. O, T. Ot. What word is this? P, O, T. Pot. Did you get it? O, ot, pot. Repeat again. O, ot, pot. See, when you are writing, you should write properly in this 2 lines. Only the extension, it should come down or go up. Other letters, you should write in between the 2 blue line. And you should write neatly. Okay, children? Very good. And the next word is, see here, can you see? O, O, G, Og, L, O, G, log. O, Og, log. Did you get it? O, Og, log. So, what are the 2 words we learned for writing today? It is, first word is pot and the second word is log. You should practice writing these words in your 4-line notebook. Okay? And daily you should read all the words from A to U. Okay? Very good. Now, see you in next class. Bye bye. Have a nice day.